Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this beautiful glam look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video because I had so much fun doing it and I love how it turned out. So if you guys want to find out how to get this beautiful look that I think I'm going to wear for my daughter's graduation, then just keep on watching. I love you guys so much, and please comment and subscribe and give this video a like. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start off with some moisturizer. Of course, we need to moisturize our faces. No matter if it's oily or dry combination, we always need to prime and moisturize. So I'm going to go ahead and moisturize first, and then I'm going to go with my Milk Makeup Hydro Primer, and I'm going to prime with that just so that my foundation stays all day. You can also use a porifying primer as well. I haven't really done it because I don't know, I've been like exfoliating and it's been helping, so I don't know. So I'm going to use the Lancome. It's the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation in the color 2W1. And I'm going to go ahead and dot this all over my face. And then I'm going to use a sponge to blend this all into my skin. I don't know. For some reason, I feel like I get more coverage when I do all this dotting on my face. I don't know. Or I just like how it feels. One of those two things. But yeah. Just going to go ahead and apply that, and then I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. I did speed this up a little bit because I don't know, I take my time doing this. I don't know why, but I kind of just take my time and I just kind of blend. This foundation is really amazing, you guys. I really like it. My daughter as well got one for her, so we're both using Estee Lauder. All right, then I'm going to go with this concealer. It's from Kosas. And it's in the color 3.5W. I feel like it doesn't do anything for me, so I'm definitely returning it to get a lighter color. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and blend that into the skin. I did apply it under my eyes, my nose, the bridge of my nose, forehead, cupid's bow, and chin. Just to kind of, you know, supposedly me trying to brighten that up. But looking at this video, this concealer didn't do anything for me. So yeah. Then I'm just going to go with my Peach Perfect setting powder and set my under eyes first. Cupid's bow, you know, everywhere I applied the concealer. I do like to kind of pat a lot of the powder onto my nose. This is like the only setting powder that actually keeps me matte. Then I'm going with the Ofra Cosmetics bronzer. I will list all the products down below for you guys if you guys are interested in getting them. I will also include discounts if I have the discounts. So yeah. Then I'm going with House Labs, this pink blush. I have no idea the name of the color, but I will link it down below for you guys if you guys are interested. I like it. It's all right. I'm really more of a peachy, and it kind of looks peachy, but you know what the issue was is that I used a brush that I usually use for my peachy blush. So it kind of still had some, I guess, and it just gave me this color. So yeah. Then I'm just going to clean it out and kind of blend everything with my setting powder just to make sure that everything's really nice and set. Then I kind of like to do these lines to make myself look a little bit thinner. I don't know why. I do not bring it all the way to my mouth anymore. I just kind of do it here just to give me that thinner look. And I don't know. I feel like it does do its job. Then I'm just going to go ahead and set my face. Then I'm going to apply some highlighter. This one is the L'Oreal highlighter. I'll list it down below for you guys. I kind of feel like this is a highlighter I will use when it's like I want something to like boom. All right, then I'm moving on to eyes. So I'm going to be using the same Kosas concealer on the eyes, and then I'm going to use this palette right here using this brown shade, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that right onto my crease. I'm going to apply that color a few times until I am satisfied with the intensity. You guys know the drill. I do like to layer my shadows just to make sure that I get the intensity that I want. So I'm just going to do that, and then I'm going to move on with a darker shade. Then I'm going with this shade right here and applying this right onto my crease again. Just a little bit lower this time so you could still see the first color I applied, but you still can see the darker shade that I applied. Then I'm going to go and kind of just blend those two together just to make sure that they're really nice and blended. I don't want any harsh lines. Then I'm going with this darker shade and applying this a little lower from that other shade that I applied. Like I said, I just kind of want it so you guys can see it still. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to go back again and blend it just to make sure everything needs to be really nice and blended before I go with the next shade. Then I'm going to go with this lighter shade and apply this right to my brow bone. I really like a light shade on the brow bone just to kind of waking you up a little bit and make it look bright. Then I'm going with some concealer and I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease a little bit. It's not clean. You know, I would have liked to have done a better job, but I still haven't been able to find a good brush to do that. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Then I'm going with this shadow shade. It's like a little bright nude color. I really like this shadow color. I don't know. I like it. I want to do more looks with that one, so we'll see. Then I'm going to use the same shadows I use on my crease. I'm going to use them on the outer corner just to kind of give it a little pop, you know. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And then lastly, the darker shade goes into the outer corner just so that it kind of matches a little bit. Makes it a little smoky, you know. And then I'm just going to apply a little bit of that brown bone color. Then I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of glitter. This is from Urban Decay. They're beautiful little glitters. I love using this to do this. Then I'm going with the Kiss Products lashes. But then I remember that I was supposed to line up my waterline. So I'm using this one. I have no idea who's from. Let's see. It's actually from Rimmel London. So I'm going to use that one and apply this to my waterline. And then I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics Waterproof Mascara. I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara before I apply my lashes. Then I'm going to use the same shadows I use on my crease. I'm going to use them to my bottom lash line just to kind of match it, smoke it out a little bit. And use my finger to apply the tear duct color. Like I said, it's the same colors I use. Then I'm going to use my lashes from Kiss. Like I said, I just needed them to get tacky. Then I'm going to use this lip liner from Morphe. I believe it's Sweet Tea. I've been using that one a lot lately. So, yeah. Then I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips. I really didn't fast forward a lot of this video. I don't know why. I should have. But, yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips a little bit. I do like to overdraw my lips. But sometimes I'm like, I wish I had smaller lips. But I don't know. It's weird. So anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and make the line as dark as I can, and then I'm gonna go with this nude color from Buxom. I'm actually planning to do a video on swatching all the Buxom liquid lips that I have so you guys can see the colors. And this one is so pretty. Like, I love this kind of like combination. And then I like to kind of go back and blend with my finger. And if you feel like it's not nude enough, I'm actually gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of the concealer. You will see in the next clip. I'm gonna go ahead and use the concealer, apply a little bit into the center, and then kind of just blend that carefully with my finger. And that's what it looks like. Then I'm gonna go ahead and set my face, and this should be the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys again for all the love and support, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys.